Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
With reference to doubling of the South Western Railway track from Kulin to Vasco in South Goa, major part of the land for the project is private land.
In this, diversion of forest land is 138.3916 hectares, which makes up 91% of the land which is needed for doubling. Transfer of government land is 1.7138 hectares, which is 1%, and acquisition and procurement of private land is 12.1536 hectares, which is 8%.
The main essence of my question is not about the quantum of land that is going to be acquired. The essence of my question is whether the residents of these houses along the alignment have been informed about what is going to be their plight should the second track become a reality.
Question is over. Zero hour mention.
No, sir, this is not fair. Let the Honorable Minister answer my question. No, you do allow, sir. I know. I've been present in this house.
After 12:30, it is not possible. Zero hour mention.
Half an hour discussion on this. We'll ask half an hour.
Yes, sir.
Question hour is over. Question hour is over. Zero hour mention.
Half an hour discussion.
Let the member ask to the government. Zero hour mention.
I mean, we have raised the question.
Zero hour mention.
Sir, motion asa sahebacher.
Speaker sir.
Motion asa.
Speaker sir. State government is acting as a puppet of the central government.
To seat. Please go to the seat. Yeah. See, there are 13 days. There are 13 working days. Wait, no. There are 13 working days. There are 13 working days. House is adjourned for 15 minutes.